carrot cake. You would never guess that this one here started with a box. Let me show you how to make it. 1 cup of milk and 4 eggs. Don't forget to add some vanilla extract and measure that with your heart. 1/4 cup of melted and cooled butter. You don't want to be scrambling and cooking your eggs. Mix well. I cannot find crushed pineapple or pineapple chunks to save my life. All I can find is pineapple slices, but I'm not opposed to improvising. I think Betty forgot the carrot. I just don't see a lot of carrot going on in here. For a carrot cake, I would normally add 4 to 5 carrots. I'm just gonna add 2. I'm sure Betty has a certain amount of some sort of carrot in that box. 2 grated carrots into the cake mix. I forgot cinnamon. I'm gonna add approximately 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Get this folded in nicely. Crushed pineapple, the equivalent of a can that I improvised. Fold some more. Carrot cakes are made for mix-ins, okay? The last time I made a carrot cake on the internet, I added raisins and the internet went wild. I'm opting to skip the add-ins today. However, raisins, walnuts, and pecans are all magical in a carrot cake. 9 by 13 on-greased dish. This is going in the oven at 350 degrees. Betty suggests 26 to 31 minutes. However, we've already added more ingredients than Betty suggested, so I'm gonna start checking this at 26 minutes. The cake is just out of the oven. I need to let this one cool because this one's getting some cream cheese icing. Frosting is the best part. 1/4 cup of butter and an 8-ounce block of cream cheese, both softened to room temperature. Cream these together a little first. Between 3½ and 4 cups of powdered sugar. Do you call this powdered sugar or icing sugar? It's always been icing sugar here in Newfoundland, but I always get so many questions about what icing sugar is. Sometimes I catch myself saying powdered sugar. Starting with about 2 cups and a healthy teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's always measured with my heart. I'm not just banging that mixer back in here because I'm gonna have icing sugar all over my kitchen. I'm gonna work it in a little with a fork first. Tablespoon of heavy cream, more powdered sugar. Once the powder is under control, it's time to get the mixer back to work. The consistency looks perfect. It's all about the taste now. It's perfect. I popped this in the fridge to speed up the process. Still not entirely cool. I'm still not waiting any longer. It's not the place to judge my frosting to cake ratio. We're going all the way. I happen to think that's a perfect icing to cake ratio. Time to sample this beauty. Pecans and walnuts crushed are also a wonderful garnish for this icing. I'm opting out on that too. I can hear the moisture of the carrot and the pineapple. This is so damn good. If you like carrot cake and don't like all of the work, you should really make this one. And if you're not opposed to all the work, I'm going to be making a carrot cake from scratch very soon. Holy sweet baby shitballs.